Alright, this next update is a major milestone in our data management tools. Well, it's called Milestones. In this scenario, Aaron is designing the part while I'm starting to program the part at the same time. Aaron just added 2 new through holes to the gearbox and decided to save the file. Now you guys probably know the drill. I will get flagged that the component is out of date, so I'll have to jump back into the model workspace and update to see the changes. So we can continue to design and program the part, but again, Aaron is going to save, and I will get flagged again that the changes have been made. These out-of-date warnings can become excessive when 2 people are working at the same time. Now this is the behavior for 2 external references until a milestone is created. Sometimes Aaron may want to save to take a version to save a change, but not push them to other external references. In this case, Aaron should use milestones. There will now be a checkbox when saving to create a milestone. You can add descriptions to both the version and milestone that can be referenced later. The milestones will even appear as a flag in the browser instead of a link icon. Once a milestone is created, the external references will not update when versions are created. This will prevent unnecessary warnings from different saves as changes are being made throughout the design process. Now that Aaron has reached a good place, he can create another milestone to push the changes to my machining setup. Just as before, if I ever need to roll back to a previous version, I can select any version that has been created. But now, even better, I can filter for milestones that are key stages in the design process. This is going to be huge for those files that get upwards of 100 versions.